Hello friends, my name is Ahmed and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss what is an LLM and how to create an LLM in 5 steps. So let's start. So what is an LLM? An LLM is basically a large language model. So what is large? Anything which is big is considered as large. Language, any kind of language, let's suppose English, Urdu, Spanish, Punjabi, etc. Model is basically a transformer, or you can think of it as a program whose job is to basically train this language so that the whole things becomes an LLM. So now let's talk about how to create an LLM in 5 steps. So the first step is to collect the data. The second step is to break the collected data into tokens. So tokens, or you can think of it as characters. The third is train the neural network. Train the data or neural network. Train the data. Fourth is fine tune and align the trained data. The fifth is deploy and use the fine-tuned and aligned data. So please remember that it should be in this order. Like firstly we have to collect the data, then we have to basically break the collected data into tokens, which we call as characters. Then we afterwards took the broken tokens to train the data in third step. Then the fourth step is to fine tune and align the trained data that we have obtained in the third step. And the fifth step is to deploy and use the fine tuned and aligned data. Now when we talk about collecting the data, we can think of all kind of data like structured, semi-structured, unstructured. It is basically, I would say, like consider it as a lexicon. You can collect the data from various sources, from internet, from an Excel file, from a Word document, or from wherever you want. And then once the data is collected, we break the data into characters or tokens. So let's suppose we have a word called ChatGPT, since this is a very famous application that is being used nowadays. So, and we collected ChatGPT into the first step. Now we break ChatGPT into single characters. So how it works is that first C will be taken, then H will be taken, then A will be taken, then T will be taken, then G will be taken, then P will be taken, then T will be taken. So now once we have basically break the data into tokens, we are going to train these tokens into the third step. And we call this training of the data uh, as like done by transformers. So the concept of transformers at a very high level is basically consider it as a program uh, whose job is to basically uh, you know train the data onto previously stored data that it has. So instead of looking at single chat GPT, for example, if I have written like river at the bank, it's going to predict that after bank what should come next. So this is how a transformer works. The fourth step is fine tune and align the data. In this step basically we take the trained data obtained in the third step, and then we basically further refine it to call it specialized data, such as, let's suppose, medical data, sports data, person data, or any other kind of data. So on the basis of this, now we have basically fine tuned and trained the data. So our data is, once our data is fine tuned and aligned, we can then basically deploy and use the fifth step. And for deployment we have various servers available. Nowadays we call it cloud. We have options of AWS, Azure, and GCP. So this is basically a 5-step process that how you create an LLM. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button and share it with your friends, and do let me know if you like this video. I'll be creating few more videos related to this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.